All right, we're weather alerting tomorrow morning and through tomorrow morning into Tuesday. Those are going to be the coldest days of the second round. We had one stretch during Christmas and now the New Year stretch. Again, brutally cold, dangerously cold. Outside, you see they're skating, and the temperature right now is close to freezing, 29 or make it 28 to 30 degrees. You factor in the winds, it's around 20 degrees for a wind chill. Tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, in the zone of frostbite, and that basically means 0 to 15 within 20 minutes. If you start feeling that tapping on your head, some stinging, you're getting frostbite. You got to get inside. You don't want to expose your skin over the next several days because it's just going to be too cold for that. Now, precipitation. Over the next 10 days, the Climate Prediction Center says we have a 30% chance of being a little below normal, which is not good. We like to see some more moisture in the atmosphere, but there's none tomorrow because of high pressure over us. Here comes a frontal system. Monday, it's a warm front and an area of low pressure. High pressure is right to the north of us, and that may dampen our, chances of actually seeing some really good snow. May pick up a little bit of snow, but at this point, it's looking like what's guaranteed. Wind chills remain in the zone of frostbite, 0 to 15, and you see just about everywhere there is around 0 to 15. So Monday morning and Tuesday morning, you could get frostbite if you expose your skin. Now, 8 o'clock till 4 p.m., it says the opportunity for the heaviest snow for the tri-state will be to the south of us. This is going to change. I'll be here tomorrow morning between 8 and 10, and I'll be here again tomorrow at 5, 6, and 10 watching this. Now, that could change, and maybe we see more snow. We'll see if that happens Monday. Right now, it looks like light to moderate snow possible. Tuesday, fronts off the coast, colder air is ushered in. Tuesday of this cold snap, the second one of the winter, will feel even colder than it's been in the last several days because 2 below 0, that's brutal. That's bone chilling. 6 below 0 for New Jersey, 5 below north and west. Dangerous wind chills again Tuesday. Wednesday, the afternoon hours, still below that 15-degree wind chill. Therefore, you don't want to expose your skin for, as I said, all the way until probably Thursday. High pressure, dry weather, it says here on Thursday, and we're still flirting with wind chills that could be dangerous by Thursday. Weekend, big coastal low. Could it develop real snow? Now, we've had our first snow of the season. We've picked up 2 and almost 3 inches of snow, but there is a chance by the end of the weekend we could pick up more snow than that if that coastal low comes together. Again, you got to, as you said, Katie, bundle up over the next several days. Now to you.